In a world filled with wires and wheels, where robots roam free, we find ourselves in a fantastic robot factory. Zoom. Here, amazing machines are built every day, and two best friends, Robo Cat and Robo Mouse, love to explore and play. "Hoo-hoo," says Robo Cat, "today is going to be the best day ever." Robo Mouse squeaks back, "I know, right? I heard the factory is making a new robot today, and I just can't wait to see it." Giggle, these two friends are always up to something fun, and today is no exception. As they wander through the factory, they see all sorts of robots being built. Some have big, strong arms, while others have super speedy legs. Whir. But then, crash, something goes wrong. One of the robots falls off the assembly line and lands with a clang on the factory floor.